In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about division. So if you see a problem like this that says 16 divided by 4 equals blank, and you need to fill in the blank here. So don't panic because you see a new way of writing division. I think you've been seeing it so far from my videos to look like this. How many times does 4 fit into 16, or 16 divided by 4? There's two ways to write division sentences. One way is this way, which you're kind of used to, and the other way is this way, 16 divided by 4. It means the same thing. So how many times does 4 fit into 16? So by now, you need to start memorizing some of these division tables. And here's the one for the 4s, right? So 4 fits into itself only once, right? You can only fit into yourself once, right? But if there's a doubling of the 4, then you can fit in there twice, right? So 4 fits into 8 twice, and so on. So you just have to memorize it. And one trick I used to use when memorizing is I used to write it over and over again until I remembered it. And another way is just to sing a song about it, right? So we did songs before with skip counting, and this is kind of similar, right? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And you just repeat it to yourself many, many times, and then eventually you'll know. You just count it on your hand. So so when you do 4, you hit your thumb. When you do 8, you hit your index finger. When you hit 12, you hit your middle finger, and so on, right? So that's how you know what the division is. So for now, we'll just look at the chart and match these up. So 16 divided by 4 is this one. 16 divided by 4 equals 4 is this one. So let's make sure to circle that. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. And now we'll put the answer in here. And you might also remember that as a division or multiplication fact, that 4 times 4 gives you 16. So if you were to write this as a multiplication, it would look like this. 4 times 4 equals 16. So those are the things that you have to start seeing patterns and understanding. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. Anyone can do math. You could just rewind this video, watch it again, and it'll make sense.